Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So me and Nevaeh are going on a bike ride today. And we went on a bike ride earlier and we heard a mysterious noise. What did it sound like?
Like very loud. I don't know how to make it like I don't know.
So we want to take you guys with us on this mystical journey.
What is it?
We
already saw, but I'm not gonna tell you. We're not gonna tell you yet. Can you make that tighter? Oh.
Oh, how'd you do that?
I was bike riding.
Oh my gosh, only Nevaeh.
We'll be back, Mom.
No, Here, hold this.
This is my first
Don't touch the screen, just
time.
yep, like that. Okay.
Oh, here's my bike.
Let me see.
Oh my god, my seat fell off.
I do not understand how. You may have to tighten it to be honest.
No.
Alright. That's all I can do for it now.
These right here are very lovely.
Right here. 1, 2, 3. I don't think you. Let's go this way. Don't step in the grass. You see it?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I really want to catch one.
No, ma'am. Wow. Whoa, those are huge. Wow.
They're not making the sound anymore.
Yeah, because they're too close. Come this way.
My backpack's empty.
Oh.
Nevaeh.
How cool is that? Nevaeh.
Yes.
Let me see a smile. Ooh.
This is my real smile. We're back home.
Oh goodness, your forehead is sweaty.
We're back home.
What happened to your seat?
It broke. When I first came home.
Hmm.
And we had to tighten it.
Yeah. Alright, let's go inside and get washed up real quick.
Okay, we'll be back for the marshmallow road.
You put a bark in here?
What?
She's trying to make a bark.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know.
Roof.
Ooh. Alright, let's try with this thin piece. Here.
Oh, look at that little boo-boo.
Alright, so we catch this on fire. It went straight through. Dang, Nevaeh.
Yeah, it's
It ain't her fault.
No, ma'am.
the fire thing is right there.
Y'all get old. Y'all
I
got
got
it.
it, I got it.
Old people these days. Look at that. Oh.
Don't try to act like you had it. Put it right there. So you catch this on fire?
Huh?
Do y'all want to burn the cross?
What?
I mean to say, how y'all doing
No,
today?
ma'am.
I want to do it.
Can you
Where
me
your
the
white sheet at, girl?
Can you hand me the... Ma, I can't put that in the video.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
What if kids watch it?
It'll be more fun than anything. Rough.
Just like he used to say, mature.
Like, roof, dog, W-O is roof. So it's right. So we're saying it correct. Right,
We
Nevaeh?
let the dogs out.
Okay.
Dogs out.
Good.
Ooh.
I mean,
I have to hide with my life.
Kumbaya, my love. Kumbaya.
He let the dogs out.
Kumbaya, my love. Kumbaya. Kumbaya. Come on, girls. Kumbaya.
Look at
See, this is what I understand about older people and their phones, ma'am. Why?
What happened? Oh no, it hurt,
How you turn
my eye. It hurt my eye.
Look at that.
Okay,
Look
well,
at that creature.
she wants to show you that she has a controller, even though you can't see anything.
Oh, you can't see it, baby?
Barely, ma.
Burley.
And it turns the
Hey, wait
fan
a
on. This girl got problems.
But listen. See?
Ooh. Should we throw Nevaeh in it?
Look at it. It's roasting up. Chestnuts roasting on up. Open fire. Come on, over here with me now. It's like it's different this time. Probably because they ain't got nothing down below. Remember I had the other stuff clogging it up.
All right, let's roast some marshmallows.
Mmm.
Go with my marshmallows, you fire thief. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
No, I'm not kissing you.
Kiss.
No. Fine, I'll kiss you right here.
Ugh, don't put it on there.
I didn't. It's not like.
That's how you're supposed to eat your marshmallow, like these. Like these.
Stop. It's hot. No. Stop.
See, they was recording.
That's how you do it.
Oh, listen. That's Mr. Neil. Oh, you heard it there?
That's not.
Oh, it's now.
That's not
See,
me.
I would never. Have you ever? See?
No, I did not.
Listen. Mr. Neil telling you to get up and go outside. Oh.
Hello, Mr. Lark. Perhaps you'd like to share with the rest of the class Patrick Henry's working last words. Kiss my ass?
See?
I did not.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I told you. You told Mr. Neil that.
I did.
You changed your voice. Yes, you
What'd you
did.
say?
Uh-huh. Yes, you did. I called him. Mr. Neil sent me that video.
I did not do anything bad, cheese.
I asked you, have you ever? And then they said, have you ever? And that's what happened. It's okay. You can ask me something.
No.
All right, so Miss Nevaeh is gonna say the sign off. It's gonna say bye to everybody.
Bye.
What the heck?
Ooh. Let's let Gigi say it. Oh my goodness, it's gonna fall.
Get it for a fall, girl.
What?
Girl, really? You went, oh,